Welcome
to
Nusa Penida.
My name is Sandro. We are Pick Your Dream.
We are traveling around Indonesia. Now we are in Nusa Penida. Stay with us, we will show you around.
The first stop of the day gonna be the Broken Beach. We are staying up north and took us about 40 minutes to get here. The road was very quiet though, but lots of up and down curves. The road isn't that good, so be very careful while you're driving down here. So let's see what this beach has to offer. From what we've seen, looks amazing. So stick around because you're gonna love it.
Just left the parking lot and we are walking. It's not the best road, but not the worst. It's very hot. I have to say we didn't leave the house very early, so now it's midday. Super hot. We saw some people around in the parking lot, but I don't think we'll be very busy today. So let's see how long it takes to get there. Oh, that was fast. It took us 1 minute and we are already here. Look at this view, guys. Amazing.
So Picky, what do you think, was worth it?
Of course. This is breathtaking.
And was so hard to get here, guys. Whew. Kidding. Now I'm gonna send the drone up and you're gonna see how beautiful it is from up there.
It's so funny, guys. They even built a stool to take nicer pictures.
Let's go up here and see the Instagram picture. Guys, this place is phenomenal. Come, walk with me to the edge. This place is wonderful, but is by far not recommended to swim, because if you come down there, there's no way up, and the only way for you to get out of here is swimming around the hole, and they say the current is very strong, so don't do it. We can enjoy just from here.
Sandro put up the drone to show you from above how beautiful this place it is. So I decided to go for a little walk. I will walk all around the hole. Here you can see some warungs. They sell coconuts, fresh juice, which will be needed because it's very, very hot. I am now in the other side. Look at that, guys. These colors, I never seen these colors in my life. Amazing.
Come, Picky, come.
How?
Like that. One step at a time.
Good?
Very good.
See what happens if you want a nice shot. These giant steps are not for me. I'm small.
Guys, it's so hot up here, and you look at this water, crystal water, you just think about dipping there. But safety first. We won't swim here, but we might swim somewhere else. So, as you know, stick around. Vicky,
Yes?
where are we going now?
Angel Billabong.
What should we expect there?
A beautiful view.
Like you?
Yeah.
5 minutes away from the Broken Beach, we have this spectacular place. I'm thinking if I should swim or not. Do you think I should swim? If I do, I promise to take you with me. So let's get down there and see. You're gonna see closer how beautiful it is. Alright, so let's go down. I'm gonna show you how to get down there so we can enjoy together afterwards. So very careful. You see it's a bit rough, but then come some steps. So far so good. Permisi. Terima kasih. There we go. Look what is waiting for us, guys. So guys, we are in this natural infinity pool. The water is so warm, it's so good. This is amazing. And as you can see, there are not many people here. Piki didn't want to swim, so she's sitting there. Right there. Say hello. But we're gonna swim. How cool is that? A natural pool just for yourself. It's like an infinity pool, and in some parts are deeper than the others. There you go. Need it.
We had one more stop to go, but unfortunately, as you can see, the weather got very bad, raining, so we postponed the last stop for tomorrow.
I will never leave you hanging. Look at this place. Usually there are tons of people here. Right now, just 2 people, me and Piki. Enjoy the view with us.
If you only could see me
Guys, do you think this rock looks like a T-Rex? Sometimes I see it, sometimes I don't. What do you think? Comment down below. I would love to see your opinion.
The music is fading, I want you tonight. Let's make it happen, I wanna love you tonight. Your body next to mine, next to you. I'll be trying.
Guys, this place is amazing. And the best of all, as I said before, there's nobody here. You can pick any spot. So if you're around, come at this time of the year because it's phenomenal. I hope you enjoyed the video. We see you in the next one. And before I go, we got another video coming up, so don't miss it. See you!